Hello, welcome to the demo for the redesigned prototype of Pandora. Here we are on the main page of Pandora, and this is where all of the redesigning occurred. We're going to go ahead and start at the top of the page and work our way down, going through each new function and feature and things that we have decided to redesign. To start, we will start in the header links area. First, we will look at your account. When clicked, this will bring up the My Account pop-up within the same window. Here the user can look at their settings where they can change things like their password, area code, and look at how much time they have remaining of music playing time. When the sharing tab is clicked, the user can see their sharing options, and they can also change their sharing options for Twitter, Facebook, and for their email. The Upgrade tab will show the user information on Pandora 1, and they can choose to upgrade to Pandora 1 at this tab. The next link that we will look at is the Sign Out link. Here the user can sign out and sign in of Pandora. All you need to do is type in your email and password and click Sign In. When Sign In is clicked, one of two cases will occur. If the information is correct, then it will be deemed successful, and the user will be taken to the main playing page of Pandora. If the information is incorrect, then the user will see an error message saying that something went wrong and they will need to enter the correct information. And here we have the upgrade and help links. With the upgrade link, again, they will be shown a pop-up within the same window, and it will just give them information on upgrading and the option to upgrade to Pandora 1. The help link was previously in the header button section. In doing testing, we found that the help button was more successful and viewed in the top right hand corner as a link. We also did this in order to follow consistency and standards that's found a lot throughout other web pages. Next, we will look at the header button section. Here we reduced it, added, and removed things. We changed names in order to fit what we felt was more noticeable and more fitted for this area. So first we will look at the My Music profile. When clicked, this will bring up the user's music profile. Here there will be 3 different tabs: recent activity, bookmarks, and friends. Here the user can look at their recent activity, such as songs they listen to, current stations or past stations that they may have listened to, or songs that they disliked or liked. In the Bookmarks tab, the user can look at the bookmark artists or bookmark songs, and they can also look at their friends' content, such as things that they liked and disliked. Another thing to note about the My Music profile, it used to be known as the Your profile in the previous Pandora design, and was often confused with the user being able to find their account information there because it was just called Your profile. So we decided to change the name and localize the way in which the user could access their music profile. So in the previous design of Pandora, the user could access their profile from 2 to 3 different locations. We decided to eliminate it to just one, which is okay because when doing testing, a majority of people would refer to their profile up in the header button section. So we decided to leave it in the header button section and rename it. The next header button is called About Pandora. Here you will find information on what is Pandora. You will find out more about the Music Genome Project and the Pandora blog. Previously, this was named About the Music and didn't seem to fit what content was in it. We also removed Find an Artist and Find a Song because it just seemed like it was misplaced in this area and didn't belong. The last header button is called Features and includes various features of Pandora. Again, this was added completely, and many features were taken from different sections and added here to be more prominent. So here we will find video series. Users can access information on Pandora Mobile and Pandora Home, and they can also access the Pandora widget, which they can insert into their blogs or any social networking site that accepts it. Moving down to the music box area, we will start with the search form. Previously, in the previous design, Pandora did not have a search form, and so it was difficult for users to try and search for songs, artists, and albums because it was in the header area, but it was hidden and not in plain sight. So here we added a search form where they can search for song, artist, and album, anything pertaining to music and that sort. Moving on, we move on to the share box, which in the previous design was smaller and grouped with the player controls, and so we decided to move it and make it more prominent by enlarging it and by secluding it from the player controls. So here the user can tweet about a song, the current song or current station. They can post the song or station to their Facebook wall. They can email this song or station, or they can gift or make a station for a friend.